This is a simple video designed to talk about the atom and the subatomic particles. So first of all, let's look at the periodic table here. You have vertical columns are called groups, and going across is called a period. So if you go across here, you can see that you have 7 period. Francium is in period number 7. All right, so let's talk about the atom. We have an atom, and then inside the atom what we have are protons, neutrons, and electrons. Okay, and then the protons and the neutrons are found inside the atom in what's called a nucleus. And the protons and the neutrons also make up the mass of the atom. Okay, and electrons are around the nucleus, found around the nucleus in what's called energy levels. Okay, in energy levels. And that this goes to what we just discussed about the period. There's 7 periods, so there's 7 energy levels. Okay, electrons have negligible mass. Electrons have negligible mass. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and draw an atom. What we have here is a nucleus which has your protons and your neutrons, and then around that we have our electrons. Ooh, look at those colors. Nice. All right, I could draw 7 circles here because that's what, if I want to draw francium, I would be drawing 7 circles. So each of these circles house what's called the electrons. Okay, and notice a pattern how I'm drawing the electrons. Drawing these dots, they represent the electrons, and I'm kind of not bunching them up together. I'm not drawing them like this, and the reason is they do have some repulsion because there's a charge that these electrons have. They have negative charge. So protons have positive charge, neutrons have 0 charge, and electrons have negative charge. And it's this positive and negative is what's holding the atom together. Okay, once again, to reiterate, remember the electrons are found in these energy levels. So N is 1 here, that's 1 energy level. N is 2 here, that's 2nd energy level. N is 3, and we can go on up until 7, as I was talking to you guys about it earlier. Okay, so these are the energy levels that the electrons are housed in. The closer the energy level is to the nucleus, less energy it has. So if we were to look at this atom right here, N is 1, N is 2, N is 3. The energy level 3 has more energy than 1. Okay, so the closer the energy level is to the nucleus, less energy it has. I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you again with another video. Thank you for watching it, guys.